Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's well. Welcome to Stock Lock Sunday. Got a 50mm SECWISE given to me by Southampton Lock Picking Club, but I think it was given by SPP. So 50mm and dead core. So let's see if we can do something with this today. I've not picked it yet, so I'm not sure what to expect. So here we go. Don't feel much tension there. Click out of 5, click out of 4, 3, and I was able to get it open, guys. So that's my Stock Lock Sunday on the 50mm SECWISE, given to me from Barry at Southampton Lock Picking Club, guys. Dead core, and just give you guys a better close-up on it. There you go, and there's the bidding on the key. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.